We all have routines that help us get through the day. But did you know that some common habits might be quietly affecting your health? In this video, we're going to explore 7 daily habits that could be doing more harm than good and what you can do instead. Habit 1. Skipping breakfast. Skipping breakfast might save you a few minutes in the morning, but it can leave your energy levels low and slow down your metabolism. A balanced breakfast fuels your body and helps with focus and concentration. Try something simple like overnight oats, fruit and yogurt, or whole grain toast with eggs. Habit 2. Slouching while sitting. Poor posture can lead to back pain, neck strain, and even poor digestion. If you sit for long periods, it's important to check in with your posture regularly. Sit up straight, keep your feet flat on the floor, and take short movement breaks every hour. Habit 3. Too much screen time before bed. The blue light from screens can mess with your sleep cycle. Scrolling late at night may be entertaining, but it can also keep your brain alert when it should be winding down. Try turning off screens at least 30 minutes before bed. Read a book or listen to calming music instead. Habit 4. Not drinking enough water. Hydration is key to staying energized, aiding digestion, and keeping your skin healthy. Yet, many of us simply don't drink enough water during the day. Carry a reusable bottle and set reminders if needed. Herbal teas and water-rich foods like fruit can also help. Habit 5. Mindless snacking. Snacking without thinking, especially on sugary or processed foods, can lead to unwanted weight gain and poor nutrition. Plan your snacks. Choose options like nuts, fruit or yogurt, and try to eat away from screens. Habit 6. Ignoring mental health. Mental health is just as important as physical health. Bottling up emotions or not taking breaks can lead to burnout and anxiety. Make time to check in with yourself. Journaling, talking to a friend, or even taking a walk in nature can help reset your mind. Habit 7. Not getting enough sleep. Regular sleep deprivation can affect memory, mood, and your immune system. Adults should aim for 7 to 9 hours of good quality sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Limit caffeine in the evening and try to go to bed at the same time every night. Remember, small habits can have a big impact, both positive and negative. The good news is, with a few simple changes, you can turn your daily routine into a powerful tool for better health.